got this P125 back from the painter. It looks pretty good. It looks really good. Check this out. It's a cool color. In the light it turns kind of light, and in the dark it's kind of dark.
Makes sense.
I already crimped on my leg shield trim. I didn't show it in these videos.
What are you trying to hide?
Because I didn't want you to see me swearing and sweating.
I appreciate that.
But it's looking good. This is the color the owner picked. We used, it's a Saab color, a kind of modern Saab color. So yeah, I got to get the floor runners on first, or next. I've already got over here, get over here, you've got there's my project cart with the motor and new parts. Got all these bits. Not that fender, that's for a different bike.
Folks, step back, there's nothing to see here.
But I got all these pieces painted and basically ready to put it together. Hey guys, so I'm working on these floor runners. You know, we've put on a new floor and these are new floor runners. So some of my holes, like these front holes, don't exactly, you can kind of see here, don't exactly line up. So what I would do is, you know, the middle holes we can redo, you know, we can move those around in the aluminum, and that's really easy. Obviously, I didn't fit these before it went to paint, so obviously what I'm gonna have to do is cut this down and move the hole and just change the way this all works. But so what I do is I use some screws, just machine screws and nuts, and hold it into place so I can slowly then adjust these holes. By the time I get to the top, then I know down here is good, and then I can take it off. I'm not gonna trim this in place, so I'll trim it down into the hole. But this is a good way to temporarily keep them down. So you can mark all your holes and move things around. Whenever possible, I like to put different holes in the floor runner, not in the frame, obviously. Okay, so now I've drilled my new hole there. Now I got to cut off the end. You see, there's a certain distance from the end of this to the hole. Basically, what I like to do is put a piece of tape on there across here. Right? Mark the old hole onto the tape, and then I'll move the tape down. If I move the tape down to where my hole mark is in the new hole, and that gives me, obviously it's crooked right now, I'll straighten it, but that gives me my new line to cut.